Video presentation by Department of Panchakarma, Shri Sindagi Shantavireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College, Haveri. This video is about applied Panchakarma in Jwara. Definition of Jwara: Dehe Indriya Manastapi Sarva Roga Grajo Bali Jwaraha Pradhanam Rogana Mukto Bhagavata Pura. Deha, Indriya and Manasantapa are Pratyama, Linga and important feature of Jwara Vyadhi. Jwara affects body, senses and mind, also diminishes the intelligence, strength, complexion and enthusiasm of sufferer and produces exhaustion, exertion and aversion to food. It should be treated considering its types, avastha, causative factors and involved dosha. Jwara Veda, Vidhi Veda, Sharirika Manasika, Saumya Agneya, Prakrita Vaikrita, Antarvarga Bahirvarga, Sadhya Asadhya. Ashraya Veda, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja and Shukra. Kala, Santata, Satata, Anyadushka, Tridiyaka, Chaturtaka. Karana Dosha plus Agantuja. Synonyms of Jwara: Jwaro Vikaro Rogascha, Vyadhi Ratanka Evacha. Ekho Artho Nama Paryayair Vividhair Abhidhiyate. Jwara, Vikara, Roga, Vyadhi, Atanka are synonyms of Jwara. Jwara Nidhana: Pravrustistu Parigrahat, Nidhane Purvam Uddishta Rudrakopascha Dharunat. Nidhane Karana Anyashtau Purvoktani Vibhagashah. Earlier in the Nidhana Sthana, the etiological factors for each of the 8 varieties of Jwara have been described separately. Prabhava, the sequels of the disease. Santapaha Saruchis Trishna Sa Angamardau Vridhivyata. Jwara Prabhavo Janmadau Nidhanecha Mahattam. Prakritischa Pravrutischa Prabhavascha Pradarshitaha. Santapa Aruchi Trishna Angamarda Vridhivyata. Premonitory symptoms of Jwara: laziness, lacrimation, yawning, heaviness, mental fatigue, uncertainty and intolerance about the liking and disliking for the heat, sun, wind and water, indigestion, anorexia, depletion in strength, complexion and slight change in conduct are the premonitory signs and symptoms of Jwara. Samprapti: Nityahara Viharabhyam Dosham Hi Amashayashrayam Bahini Rasasya Koshtagni Jwarada Syu Rasagunaha. Due to Nidhana, like Nityahara Vihara, Pitta dosha takes place in Ashraya of Amashaya. Sides of Jwara: Kevalam Samanaskam cha Jwara Adhishtanam Uchyate. Shariram Balakalastu Nidhane Sampradarshitaha. The whole body and the mind are the sites of manifestation. Langana: Langanam Swedanam Kalo Yavagva Stiptako Rasaha. Pachananya Vipakvanam Doshanam Tarune Jware. Jware Peya Kashayascha Kshiram Sarpi Virechanam. Shadahe Shadahe Deyam Viksha Dosha Bala Abale. Jwara is characterized by Amashayastha Dosha, Agnimadya, Samata and Sroto Vibandha. Upavasa or Anashana type of Langana is expected generally. Vamana for Kapha Pradhana Avastha. Indications and contraindications of Jwara. Contraindications: Langana, Kashaya Jwara, Vataja Jwara, Bhayaja Jwara, Krodhaja Jwara, Kamaja Jwara and Bhayaja Jwara. Kapha Pradhana Utklishtan Doshan Amashaya Stithan Budva Jwara Karan Kale Vamyanam Vamanai Hire. Svedana: Svedana is indicated in Vataja Kafaja Avastha, Vataja Kafaja Shita Purvaka. Kala: for dosha pachana and agni vardhana, period of 8 days is required. This period should be decided as per signs and symptoms of agni, samata, dosha involved, etc. Diet or any other drug is indicated after this period. Virechana: Kriyabhirabhihi prashamam na priyanityada jwaraha. Akshina bala mamsa agni shamayet tam virechanahi. Niruhavasti: Jwara akshinasya na hitam vamanam na virechanam. Kamam tu payasa tasya nirhur aiva haren malan. Kashaya Pana: Pachanam shamaniyam va kashayam payayed bishak. ज्वरितं षडहे अतीते लद्वान्न प्रतिपूजितम्. Along with Kashaya Rasa, Guru, Snigdha, Madhura formulations should also be avoided. Indications of Anuvasana Basti: Pakvashayagata dosha, Kshina Kapha Pitta, Ruksha Rugna, Baddha Purisha, Nirama Jwara. Indications of Nasya: Jirna Jwara, Shiro Gaurava, Shiraha Shula, Indriya Jhatya. Yavagu Prayoga: Vamitam Lamgritam Kala, Yavagu Abhirupacharit, यतस्व औषध सिद्ध अभिर्मंडुर्वा विरादितः. निषेध ऑफ यवागु प्रयोग: मदात्यय मध्यनित्ये ग्रीष्मे पित्त कफादिके उद्वेगे रक्तपित्ते च यवार्गुन हितात् ज्वरे. इंडिकेशन ऑफ तर्पण: इन अबोव कंडीशंस और व्याधि तर्पण is indicated. This tarpana should be made up of falarasa, laja, sattu, madhu, sharkara. जीर्ण ज्वर: considering status of dhatus, sneha, gratapana, balya, brahmana, ahara is indicated in Jirna Jwara. Snehana should be administered in form of gratapana, basti and nasya only. Indications and contraindications of gratapana. Indications: अतः ऊर्ध्वे कफ मंदे वातपित्तोत्तरे ज्वरे परिपक्वेषु दोषेषु सर्पिषपानं यथामृतम्. Contraindications: कफज ज्वर, अलंघित रुग्ण. साध्य असाध्यता ऑफ ज्वर: दोषे विबद्धे नष्टे अग्नौ सर्वसंपूर्ण लक्षणः. सन्निपात ज्वरो असाध्यः कृज्र साध्यस्त्वतो अन्यथा. सन्निपातो दुश्चिकित्सायानां. प्रोग्नोसिस ऑफ ज्वर: बलवत्सल्प दोषेषु ज्वराः साध्यो अनुपद्रव. साध्य ज्वर: ज्वर is easily curable if it occurs in a person with strong physique or if it is caused by the vitiation of lesser amount of dosha and if there are no complications. चिकित्सा of ज्वर: ज्वरादौ लंघनं प्रोक्तं ज्वरा मध्ये तु पाचनं. चिकित्सा क्रम: लंघनं, वमन, यवागुपान, विरेचन, बस्ति, कषायपान, घृतपान, दुग्ध प्रयोग, मांसरस. Conclusion: Jwara is considered to be the king of diseases. Ayurveda emphasizes on aturasya vikara prashamana. Panchakarma procedures helps to achieve this state of disease-free condition. Therefore, utilization of Panchakarma in various avastha of Jwara and the knowledge in treating these vyadhi has to be gained in order to attain the main aim of Ayurveda. Thank you.